how to get rid of the gap on top of Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, a lot of gap is over here. So if you want to remove it, go to File, go to Page Setup, and then in this margin section, on top, simply write 0 or 0.1. Then tap on OK. After this, as you can see, the gap is now removed and the text is now shifted to the top. So that's how you do it. If you want to remove it from the sides, the process is just the same. Simply go to Page Setup, and from bottom, left and right, you will have to make it to 0.1. And the text is now shifted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.